SAP Sybase IQ Training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions, SIME. Master SAP Sybase IQ and gain expertise in enterprise data warehousing column-based databases, analytics, high-performance querying, database administration, data loading, performance optimization, and business intelligence, EIJ. Our comprehensive SAP Sybase IQ training program is designed to help professionals manage large-scale analytical databases, optimize query performance, administer enterprise data warehouses, and support business intelligence applications using SAP Sybase IQ. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world database administration and analytics scenarios. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company provides high-performance analytics solutions using SAP Sybase IQ, a powerful tool for data analysis and business intelligence. The solution enables users to analyze large volumes of data quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for businesses that require fast decision-making. With its advanced features, SAP Sybase IQ can handle complex queries and provide real-time insights into customer behavior, market trends, and other key performance indicators. Individuals and organizations can benefit from this technology by gaining access to advanced analytics capabilities, which can help them make more informed decisions and drive business growth. Corporate training programs are also available to ensure that employees have the necessary skills to effectively utilize SAP Sybase IQ. This includes hands-on training sessions, workshops, and online courses, all designed to equip participants with the knowledge and expertise needed to extract valuable insights, from their data. Vistasparks Solutions offers customized training programs tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization. These programs focus on teaching participants how to use SAP Sybase IQ to analyze large datasets, identify patterns and trends, and create reports and dashboards that provide actionable insights. By providing these training programs, Vistasparks Solutions empowers individuals and organizations to unlock the full potential of SAP Sybase IQ and achieve greater business. Traditional database systems have limitations when it comes to handling large amounts of data and complex queries. One major limitation is the way they store and manage data. In traditional row-based storage systems, each record is stored as a single unit, which can lead to wasted resources when only a few columns are needed. This can result in significant delays in time-sensitive decision-making due to the inability to retrieve only the necessary information. Another issue is the scalability of these systems. As the amount of data grows, so does the complexity of the queries, making it difficult for traditional databases to handle This can lead to bottlenecks in the system, causing delays and inefficiencies. In contrast, specialized analytic engines like SAP Sybase IQ offer a solution to these problems. These engines are designed to handle large amounts of data and complex queries with ease, delivering the speed, compression, and scalability that modern BI demands. They use advanced technologies such as column-oriented storage and indexing to optimize performance and reduce latency. By using these engines, organizations can overcome the analytics bottleneck and gain a competitive advantage in their industry. The company has developed several tools to support this technology. The tools include a data warehousing platform, a data mart, and a reporting tool. These tools are designed to work together seamlessly to provide a comprehensive solution for analytics and business intelligence. The data mart is particularly useful for smaller businesses with limited resources, as it allows them to focus on specific areas of interest without having to manage complex data. The reporting tool provides users with real-time insights into their data, enabling them to make informed decisions quickly. The data warehousing platform enables organizations to integrate multiple data sources and create a unified view of their data, providing a single source of truth for all their data. A well-designed architecture can help ensure scalability, reliability, and maintainability. In this chapter, we will explore the key concepts and considerations for building a robust technical foundation. We will cover topics such as data modeling, database design, and system integration. By the end of this chapter, you will have a clear understanding of how to create a solid technical foundation that will support your organization's needs for years to come. This includes installing and configuring the database, setting up hardware and software components, and ensuring proper security measures are in place. We will also discuss the importance of testing and validation to ensure that your technical foundation is stable and reliable. Through this chapter, you will learn how to build a solid technical foundation that will provide a strong base for your organization's future growth and development. The architecture of Sybase IQ is based on a multi-layered system consisting of three main components: the IQ server environment, the IQ core engine, and the IQ client tools. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system. The IQ core engine is the heart of the system, providing the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. Kajang. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ core engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ core engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ core engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ core engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ core engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ core engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ core engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the data management system, the query processing system, and the data storage system. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system. While the IQ Core Engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users, the IQ Client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ Core Engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the Data Management System, the Query Processing System, and the Data Storage System. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system, while the IQ Core Engine provides the necessary functionality to support the various applications and tools used by users. The IQ Client tools are the interface through which users interact with the system, enabling them to access and manipulate data. The IQ Core Engine is further divided into several subcomponents, including the Data Management System, the Query Processing System, and the Data Storage System. Each of these subcomponents plays a critical role in supporting the overall functionality of the system. The IQ server environment is responsible for managing the overall performance and security of the system. The installation process for a database system involves several steps that require careful consideration. The first step is to assess the workload profile of the organization to determine the required processing power and memory resources. This assessment should be based on historical data and industry benchmarks to ensure accuracy. Once the workload profile has been determined, the next step is to select the appropriate hardware to meet the expected query load and data volume. Hardware selection is critical because it determines the overall performance of the database system. A well-designed hardware configuration can significantly improve the efficiency and reliability of the database system. Hardware selection is not just about choosing the right processor speed or amount of RAM, it's also about selecting the right storage devices, such as hard drives or solid-state drives, to handle the expected data volume. In addition, the type of operating system used by the database can affect its performance. For example, some operating systems are optimized for certain types of queries, while others may be better suited for specific workloads. Therefore, it's essential to choose an operating system that matches the expected workload profile. Furthermore, the choice of database management software is also crucial. Database management software is responsible for managing the database and ensuring its integrity. Choosing the wrong software can lead to errors, inconsistencies, and decreased performance. On the other hand, selecting the right software can greatly enhance the efficiency and reliability of the database system. In conclusion, proper planning and setup of the database system is essential to ensure optimal performance. By carefully considering the workload profile, hardware selection, operating system, and database management software, organizations can create a highly efficient and reliable database system. The process of creating and configuring a Sybase IQ database involves several key steps that must be taken into account when setting up a Sybase IQ system. These steps include understanding the performance characteristics of the database and applying best practices to configure it optimally. The goal is to create a well-organized and efficient database that meets the needs of the user. To achieve this, several factors need to be considered. Sizing the database correctly is crucial, as is optimizing indexing strategies and tuning server-level options such as sensitivity and concurrency settings. Proper placement of file locations can also play a significant role in preventing costly reorganizations later on. By applying these principles, users can ensure optimal memory utilization and minimize the risk of reorganization. Effective database configuration is essential for achieving good performance and reliability in a Sybase IQ system. The benefits of columnar storage are clear. By reducing storage needs by up to 90%, organizations can minimize their IT infrastructure footprint. This reduces costs and simplifies data management. With columnar storage, query speeds increase by 10 times. This allows businesses to quickly respond to changing market conditions. Columnar storage enables ad hoc analysis. This makes it easier for users to explore data without requiring pre-aggregation. As a result, columnar storage provides a powerful tool for organizations looking to improve their analytical capabilities. The process of loading data into a Sybase IQ database involves several key steps that must be followed carefully to ensure successful integration. The first step is to determine the sources of the data, whether it be a flat file, a relational database, or another data source. Once the sources are identified, the next step is to extract the relevant data using ETL tools or manual import methods. The extracted data is then loaded into the Sybase IQ database using one of the many available tools. The type of tool used depends on the complexity of the data and the desired outcome. For example, if the data is relatively simple, a manual import method may be sufficient. However, if the data is complex or requires advanced processing, an ETL tool may be necessary. Waha! In addition to extracting and loading the data, it is also essential to consider the data quality and integrity issues that may arise during the process. Data quality refers to the accuracy and completeness of the data, while data integrity refers to the consistency and reliability of the data. Ensuring that the data meets these standards is critical to maintaining the overall health and stability of the Sybase IQ database. The organization has chosen to implement a new data warehousing strategy that leverages external tables to improve data loading efficiency. The strategy includes using bulk load management to optimize I/O threads, buffer sizes, and commit intervals. To further enhance performance, the organization will also utilize IQ-optimized insert variants for batch and streaming ingestions. These measures will enable the organization to maintain high levels of analytical freshness across its entire enterprise. The organization's decision to adopt this data warehousing strategy was driven by the need to support large-scale analytics workloads. As the organization continues to grow, it requires more efficient data loading mechanisms to handle increasing volumes of data. The current infrastructure is unable to meet these demands, leading to decreased performance and slower data processing times. By implementing this new strategy, the organization aims to address these issues and ensure seamless data integration across its various business units. The implementation process involves significant planning and coordination among IT teams. A thorough analysis of the existing infrastructure was conducted to identify areas where improvements could be made. Based on this analysis, the organization selected the most suitable external table techniques and optimized the configuration of the underlying hardware. The team worked closely with stakeholders to ensure that the new strategy aligned with the organization's overall business objectives. The benefits of this new data warehousing strategy are numerous. Firstly, it enables the organization to take advantage of the scalability and flexibility offered by external tables. Secondly, it allows for more efficient data loading and processing, resulting in faster data integration and reduced latency. Thirdly, it provides a foundation for future-proofing the organization's data infrastructure, enabling it to adapt to changing business requirements and emerging trends. By adopting this data warehousing strategy, the organization is poised to reap significant rewards in terms of improved operational efficiency, enhanced data quality, and increased competitiveness. The ability to analyze large datasets quickly and accurately will enable the organization to make informed decisions and drive business growth. Furthermore, the strategic alignment of the new strategy with the organization's overall goals and objectives ensures that the investment in this initiative will yield long-term benefits. Indexing strategies are critical to optimizing the performance of Sybase IQ databases. Leveraging unique index types such as LF, HG, HNG, date, and time enables partitioning of large tables by date, range, and DTTM, each tuned or hashed to restrict query scans and implement tiered data storage policies. This approach allows automatic movement of data to specific cardinality and query patterns, resulting in improved response times for both new and historical data. Implementing lifecycle management techniques maintains query transparency by aging data to cost-effective storage patterns, ensuring maximum speed and efficiency. Advanced data provisioning strategies are necessary to support concurrent reads and writes without locking. Advanced data provisioning strategies are necessary to support concurrent reads and writes without locking. This can be achieved through row-level versioning and snapshot strategies. Row-level versioning and snapshot strategies allow organizations to ensure seamless access to their data while maintaining its integrity. Optimizing LOB management techniques is essential for handling unstructured data such as documents and binary objects. Optimizing LOB management techniques is essential for handling unstructured data such as documents and binary objects. This enables efficient import and export of these types of data. Efficient import and export of these types of data is critical for organizations that rely on data sharing and collaboration. Enabling full-text search capabilities using FTS indexes allows for rapid keyword and phrase searches within large text datasets. Enabling full-text search capabilities using FTS indexes allows for rapid keyword and phrase searches within large text datasets. These features collectively enable organizations to unlock the full potential of their data, driving business growth and competitiveness. Organizations must adopt these features to remain competitive in today's fast-paced market. The operational skills required to run SAP Sybase IQ efficiently are critical for maximizing an organization's potential. The chapter focuses on key areas of administration and performance, including security, scaling, and real-time monitoring. Attendees will gain a comprehensive understanding of optimizing their SAP Sybase IQ setup by the end of this section. They will learn how to implement effective security measures, scale their system to meet growing demands, and monitor its performance in real time. This knowledge enables them to troubleshoot issues, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to drive business success. Theoretical foundations and practical examples are used to equip attendees with the skills needed to manage their SAP Sybase IQ environment effectively. This results in improved overall performance and increased competitiveness. Organizations that master these operational skills can unlock the full potential of their SAP Sybase IQ solution, driving growth, innovation, and success. User administration and security are critical components of any organization's overall strategy. In this section, we will explore granular access controls, advanced data encryption, and enterprise BI security. These measures enable organizations to configure role-based permissions, implement database encryption, and integrate authentication with various protocols such as LDAP, Kerberos, and Enterprise SSOO. This ensures that sensitive data is protected from unauthorized access, maintaining centralized governance over enterprise data. By enforcing least privilege data standards, organizations can safeguard their frameworks and maintain robust identity governance. Effective implementation of these security measures is essential to prevent data breaches and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. The SAP Sybase IQ database management system utilizes a multiplexed architecture to distribute query workloads across multiple reader nodes. This approach enables horizontal scaling out by allowing each node to focus on a specific workload. The system maintains a single writer node that ensures data consistency across all nodes. This configuration facilitates efficient resource utilization and improved performance when handling concurrent queries. Adding new reader nodes dynamically enhances the system's ability to handle increasing query loads. The multiplexed architecture also supports the management of distributed transactions, which involves coordinating cross-node transactions to prevent conflicts. Executing DDLL data definition language changes across all nodes requires careful synchronization to maintain data integrity. ALL-D. The system's architecture ensures that these changes are executed safely and consistently, preventing inconsistencies and data corruption. By leveraging the multiplexed architecture, organizations can optimize their analytics infrastructure and improve overall system reliability. The system's scalability and flexibility make it an ideal choice for large-scale analytics applications. The built-in System Monitor Procedure, species Sysmin, provides users with real-time metrics on various aspects of the database, including CPU saturation, memory usage, and disk I/O constraints. By analyzing these metrics, users can identify bottlenecks and apply advanced recovery procedures to restore and optimize database performance. These procedures include log replay, checkpoint management, and IQ thread analysis, among others. Regular monitoring and maintenance are essential to maintaining a healthy and efficient database. By leveraging the built-in System Monitor Procedure and other diagnostic tools, users can gain valuable insights into their database's behavior and take corrective action when needed. This enables them to respond quickly to changes in workload and optimize resource utilization. HAR-M, Ytain on meters thing, DROC RMRO. Effective monitoring and troubleshooting can help prevent downtime, reduce costs, and improve overall database performance. By staying proactive and taking a preventive approach, users can minimize the impact of failures and ensure smooth operation of their database. Individual training paths for SQL developers and database administrators are available to master IQ-optimized SQL. These paths include deep dive sessions into installation, syntax, indexing strategies, configuration, security, query plan analysis, and multiplex management. The training is tailored for DBAs who want to optimize their skills in handling complex analytical workloads. Through hands-on lab exercises, participants gain practical experience in installing and optimizing IQ-optimized SQL. The training covers topics such as advanced query optimization and troubleshooting, allowing participants to develop their skills in managing and maintaining complex databases. The corporate training solutions provided by Vistasparks solutions aim to enhance the skills of entire data teams within a company. These solutions minimize disruptions caused by training while maximizing the team's capabilities. The customized curriculum focuses on addressing specific areas such as data architecture, business intelligence, BI, tools, and organizational priorities. The BI workflow integration allows for the seamless embedding of Sybase IQ into existing extraction, transformation, and loading ETL pipelines, reporting layers, and data governance frameworks. The scalable delivery options offered by Vistasparks solutions cater to large distributed enterprise data teams. These options include instructor-led, virtual, and blended learning formats that support various schedules. The training can be delivered on-site, virtually, or through self-paced formats to accommodate different enterprise needs. The organization has been using traditional relational database management systems for many years. The current system is not meeting the needs of the business due to its limitations in handling large volumes of data. The company is looking to upgrade to a more modern and efficient solution that can handle increased data volumes and provide better query performance. The company is considering two options: adopting columnar storage technology such as SAP Sybase IQ or implementing a cloud-based data warehousing platform. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages. However, the company is leaning towards adopting columnar storage technology because it offers a more flexible and scalable solution that can adapt to the company's growing data volumes. Columnar storage technology, such as SAP Sybase IQ, allows for faster query processing and improved data compression. This results in reduced latency and faster time to insight. The benefits of columnar storage are numerous, including improved query performance, reduced costs, and increased scalability. The company will need to consider several factors when selecting a new data management system. These factors include the cost of implementation, the complexity of the system, and the level of support provided by the vendor. The company must also evaluate the potential risks associated with adopting a new technology. In order to determine which option is best for the company, a thorough analysis of both options is necessary. This includes evaluating the technical specifications of each option, assessing the potential return on investment, and considering the long-term implications of each choice. Ultimately, the decision will depend on the company's specific needs and goals. The chosen solution should align with the company's strategic objectives and provide a clear path forward for achieving those objectives. Our company has been providing expert training services for over a decade now. With extensive experience in the field, we have developed a comprehensive understanding of the latest trends and technologies in data analysis and management. We specialize in SAP Sybase IQ, offering customized training solutions tailored to meet the unique requirements of each client. Our expert trainers are dedicated to helping organizations transform their team's analytical capabilities, resulting in measurable improvements in performance and productivity. By leveraging our knowledge and expertise, clients can minimize disruptions and maximize returns on investment. Our goal is to empower organizations to unlock their full potential by harnessing the power of data-driven decision-making.